Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to link to a phone number or send email using anchor tags in HTML. So let's get started. So here you can see I have created a few anchor tags. So first one is link to phone number. If I click on it, here you can see it is asking me for an application to open. Now I'm testing this on a desktop, but you should test it on a mobile device. So in your mobile device it will open your dial to phone number with the phone number being pre-populated. And then for send email, here you can see that it is opening my email client. Hopefully you got the point. Same for send email with subject, same for send email with CC, and same for send email with CC and body. So here you can see I have this HTML file being created. I'm using Vite. If you don't know Vite, that's fine, just create a normal HTML file, that's it. And here you can see I have created this anchor tag, and you will have to prepend with tell : and then pass the actual phone number to link to a phone number. Similarly for email as well, you will have to use this mail to : prepend it, and then pass the actual email ID of the user. Similarly for sending email with subject mail to : then pass the email ID, and then here you have to add this question mark, subject equal to all whatever subject you want. Similarly for sending email with CC, mail to : this will be your email ID. You don't need to add subject, so if you want you can remove it like this, okay, and use it like this. But if you want the subject, then you will have to use this ampersand CC equal to then the email which you want to add in CC. Similarly for send email with CC and body as well, mail to : the actual email ID, question mark, subject equal to whatever, CC and CC equal to that email ID, and ampersand body equal to this is the email body. So yeah, that's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Bye.